How to hide your friends list on Facebook. There are two easy ways to keep your Facebook friends list private. Method 1 is the quick way through settings. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down to audience and visibility. Select how people can find and contact you. Look for who can see your friends list and tap on it. Change the option to only me and tap save. That's it. Your friends list is now private. Method 2 is by using Privacy Checkup. From the menu page, tap the Settings gear icon. Scroll down to the Tools and Resources section and tap Privacy Checkup. Select who can see what you share and tap Continue. Scroll to the bottom and find who can see your friends list. Choose Only Me and then tap Save at the bottom. Now your Facebook friends list is fully hidden, and that's how you can stop strangers or friends from viewing your friends list on Facebook.